guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. It is the day you have all been waiting for. She's back. Look, she's back.
Hello, I'm here.
Mum's back. So obviously we can't be close to each other, so we are going to do an unboxing, and Mum is going to be here and I'm going to be over there. So I will talk and you will hear me. I will shout things from the background, but Mum is going to be in charge of showing you all the shit and stuff. So she's going to get her beauty vlogger on and not put things out of focus, and it's going to be good. She's going to do really well. So you have to like this video because it's going to be Mum's first solo video because of social distancing. But yeah, this is the June Look Fantastic box. And
it's a bit late, isn't it?
We're pretty sure it's late because obviously we haven't been able to do this, so it's late. You've probably already seen it, but we don't care because it's for Mum. That's why you watch it. Be honest, you're not watching it for the box, you're watching it for Mum. But the box is sold out now, so I think you can get a mystery box for £10. I'll just leave the links down below. I haven't got any discount codes or anything. If I can find one of my friends' discount codes, I'll put that down below and I'll write whose discount code it is, but I haven't got one, so I'll just leave a link down below for you guys. But yeah, by the magic of editing, Mum is going to appear. She's back!
I am here. Right, I have my box.
Don't tell your address!
No, sorry. I have my box.
Well, you can send us that if you want to.
Okay. Right, I will open the box.
I'm excited.
Right, here we go. Oh, it's not a box.
What is it?
It's a bag, a zippy-uppy bag.
That is pretty.
I'll place the box carefully over there.
Right behind your shoulder.
I'm not going to throw it on the floor like somebody else does. And this is the little baggy thing.
Oh my god, there's something in there that I'm stealing because mine's run out and you don't.
I've got no idea what she's talking about.
I can see it in the front, the polar thing. Is there a leaflet or anything? Is that in there?
No.
No, it must be inside. Give me the leaflet.
There's no leaflet.
Open it.
Right, I'll open it now, okay? Here we go. Zipped all round, and I'll take...
No leaflet.
I'm now searching for a leaflet.
Yes.
Yes, so there is a
Chuck it at
beauty
me.
box. I've chucked it.
Chuck in the high chair.
Right,
it says,
okay.
Oh no, it just says, to our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products. With everything that's going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we'll bring you printed versions back as soon as we can. Oh, so it's in... Oh, it's online, so we don't know. So we'll just have to
So we don't know what they are.
No.
Right,
I'll look
okay.
on my phone whilst Mum is doing
Alright,
the
then
thing.
Lucy's going to look on her phone. Well, the first thing I'm getting out of here, which I actually recognise this make, which is amazing.
Is it molten?
It's molten brown. And it is, if I can see properly, coastal cypress and sea fennel bath and shower gel.
Oh.
There, look at that. I did that quite well as well, didn't I?
Well done, you're doing
Look,
better than
goodness
I.
me. Anyway, let me have a little smell. Oh, that smells really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll put it on the corner there with the lid off. There you go. And then you can have a little smell and
It
put
won't
it
let
back.
me look at it. I can't find it
Have
online,
a look,
so
little book. Look.
we'll just have
a
a
little
look.
sniff.
Oh, I've got this upstairs, I think. A big one. Oh, it smells so nice.
That does smell nice. That I'm keeping. That isn't what you wanted,
no,
is
that's
it?
not what I want.
So I'm keeping
I want
that.
the thing that says factor 50 on it. Because
Right.
you use baking fat. Bacon grease.
I do not. I do not.
What factor do you use?
About an 8.
Exactly, I use factor 50.
Is this a
Polar. Look
polar?
behind you, there's one on the shelf.
Well, you don't need
It's
this
ran
one.
out. Look.
Oh, so there's this. It's a polar something or other.
It's sun cream.
And it's got a little thing on, so I won't undo it. So this is obviously what Lucy is coveting.
I think it's the sun cream, isn't it?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
So
I've got a factor 30, so that's really good.
Do you want
Ari's
that?
not allergic. This is what Ari has to have. It's for
So
Ari.
please
It's for your
may I have
granddaughter.
it?
Please, can I have it for your grandchild?
just this once.
Thank you.
There. Right, next.
This is the it's fragrance free sun lotion, and it's the one I
Factor
have.
50.
Yeah, factor 50.
Is that good enough?
Fight against sunburns and premature aging.
Well, you should have had that on the other day
No,
when
no.
you went on the Broad, shouldn't you?
Did get very sunburned.
Right, next thing is... Oh!
What?
a lip protection.
A lip balm.
No, SPF 30.
Yeah, lip balm.
Ultra Sun.
Ooh.
I have a funny feeling Lucy might want this as well. Can you see that, anybody?
Well, if you want it, you have it.
There.
You take the plastic off, you'll be able to.
No, it's done it nicely. I won't use it.
No?
No,
well,
will
I'll
you?
use it then if it's a lip
Will
balm.
you? It's a lip balm.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's like. Anybody else had any? I don't know.
What's the brand?
It's a Ultra Sun.
Never heard of them.
Ultra Sun. Lip protection and care.
Be good for the kids.
Yeah, then they'll look like, yeah.
They like stuff like that.
Yeah, okay, that's
Lovely.
good. Then this next thing is, I don't know what it is. Is it a hair mask?
Strap it here.
It could be a hair mask.
Everything mask. The colour locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair colour.
Yes, it's a hair
Josh
mask.
Wood colour.
There.
Pretty packaging.
Josh Wood colour hair mask. So there you go.
What does it say on the back?
I don't know really, I can't, it's far too small the writing, I can't
Shall
read
we
it.
read it?
Have to have magic eyes to
Apply
do
to damp
that.
washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes and then wash out. So, should have a little smell.
Yeah?
Oh, it smells lovely.
Does it?
Yeah, it smells. Oh, it smells like something. What is that smell? Oh, that smells really nice. I can't place it.
Oh,
Doesn't
yeah,
it?
it
What
smells
is
a
it?
bit like Savlon.
It is. It's Savlon. It's like antiseptic. That's what it is. It's Savlon.
It smells like Savlon.
It does. That's what it is.
Savlon is what my mother, who's recently died unfortunately, my mother thought that Savlon was the cure
She did.
for everything.
And rub it.
Oh, and rub it. You have
Rub
to rub it better or put Savlon on it and it'll be better. Definitely. And it did work.
It did work when we were
Yeah,
little.
yeah. Anyway, that's enough of that
That
one.
smells like Savlon.
So I'll
That's
keep
nice.
that. So I'm not doing too badly
No.
so far. Now the next thing is this, which is very pretty packaging.
Ooh.
And it's a
the brand?
mask, aroma blend calming
them.
mask. And it's Shangpri. Is that the make? Shangpri?
I don't know.
Yeah, Shangpri aroma blend calming mask.
Ooh, that sounds like you'd like that.
I don't know, it's all like written in Chinese.
Yeah, probably Korean.
Infused with various
Korean.
bits and pieces.
Yeah, it's just, I think it's Korean skincare.
Oh, it's
Yeah, made in Korea. They're
Right.
very good with their skincare.
Are they?
Infused with neroli and professionally blended aroma oils, this relaxing mask calms, oh Christ, and soothes your skin, revealing a healthier, softer skin.
So I can put the hair mask on.
Oh, everlasting flower water, chamomile oil, and neroli oil.
I can put
yeah.
hair mask and that mask,
Sounds
and then I'll
lovely.
be double
You can
masked.
sit in your bath as molten brown.
Yeah. And then the last thing, I don't even know what it is. It looks a bit like an
Tangle teaser.
upside down hedgehog.
It's a tangle teaser.
Well, there's not a lot of use for me, is it?
I use one of the girls.
There, look. Can you see that?
Glove. Oh, maybe it's an exfoliator.
A glove.
I don't know what it
I
is.
don't know. It's a little...
Let me Google it.
It's like a
It
hairbrush.
does look like a tangle teaser.
It's a
but-
hairbrush, I think.
The fact
Or
it's
a
called glove.
massager.
Oh no,
Or-
glove hairbrush.
It's a glove
I
hairbrush.
think so.
I don't even know what... Do you have to know what all these things
Yeah,
cost?
glove hairbrush. I'm now gonna. I'll put it on the screen. If we can find out prices, I'll put it on the screen.
Okay, and that's the last one, but it's ever such a pretty colour. It's like a duck egg blue,
Right,
Very
saying
sweet.
It's out of stock everywhere.
and it's
Super
out of
helpful.
stock everywhere because I've got the last one.
Yeah, no, it says it's out of stock everywhere.
Okay, well that's quite a nice.
Sheet.
And then on to top it all,
It comes in a lovely little bag.
you get a load of.
Let me go and put them in the bin.
They're all right. I
I
don't
want them on my
mind them.
floor.
I'll zip it up.
Okay.
You get this lovely little sort of bag thing, like a makeup
It's nice,
sponge
isn't it?
bag. It's quite sweet because it's see-through.
And it's a nice.
Yeah. So there we go.
And that is where my weirdness comes from.
Right, okay. Well, that was that. Now, hopefully, the next one, because I think this has been where I used to work for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I only got given it yesterday because they're not very good like that. And I've told the Look Fantastic people to deliver it to me at home now, but
Well,
I did that
hopefully-
last month, and they still delivered it to work.
We'll send them a message on
Yeah.
Instagram and tell
So
them.
yeah.
Do you want to do the outro, or do you want to tell them your life story?
No, I don't want to tell them my life story. Why would I want to tell them my life story?
Just chuttering.
I've been retired since the 31st of December, and I haven't really experienced
Went
what
back to work.
retirement is like
You
yet.
went back to
I
work.
went back to work for a month, didn't I? Then I went to India for a month. Then I came back,
And then you've been
I've been in
quarantined.
lockdown. So what is retirement like? Because I don't know yet.
I think you should start your own YouTube channel.
No, I don't think so.
If you think Mum should start her own channel.
No, I don't think so. I wouldn't know how to do it for a
You're doing
start.
it now.
I know, but that's because you've done all the technical stuff.
Yeah,
I
turn the
wouldn't.
camera on.
I wouldn't be any good at that. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Lucy's channel.
There's a giveaway running at the moment, which I will link on the screen.
I didn't know about that. She's just said that. So yeah, there you go. So hopefully see you again soon. And
We can maybe sit next to each other.
and I will just move away, and you can say goodbye to Lucy as
I
well.
don't care, that's fine.
All right,
I'll
then.
just do this.
Okay.
Bye.
Right. Bye.